Hi, I'm Dr. Marianne Zintron. I'm so excited that you responded to my LinkedIn application for the research we're going to be doing. You know, so many pieces are coming together. I have a neurologist involved. I have 5 music therapists involved. I have an organization that does EEGs who volunteered their equipment so we could monitor the brain activity of students who use music with my reading program and compared to kids who don't use music with my reading program. And we're having a little bit of challenge having a school district match a grant that we were given last year. So we have the opportunity to help a psychologist student get her doctorate as she takes my research to another level as we add the EEGs. And rather than have her not get her doctorate, the neurologist recommended that we look for some people who could volunteer some time. So it would only be 16 weeks. It's 2 hours a week per student. And we recommend 2 students per tutor so that you could have 1 student with music, 1 student without the music. But it's really fun, engaging. If you love working with students, you're going to love this. So you're looking at 4 hours a week, and it is volunteer because we don't want that to be an obstacle for the school district to jump in. And so we hope to start in January, I have another meeting with the school district. So we would screen the students, and they're going to be 4th or 5th graders, and this would be on Zoom. It'll be really exciting. We hopefully would start in February. So I hope you respond with a yes, and then I'll give you a contract. Now, the cool thing is you're going to keep the curriculum, and I sell my training curriculum for $2,000. There's 8 training videos and digital files and hard copies. So you're going to get all this and be able to keep it because of your volunteering. And I so appreciate your commitment to this. If you're burnt out with students, you know, you don't want to work with kiddos anymore, then this isn't for you. And if you've never tutored before or worked with students, this wouldn't be for you either. But I'm getting such a variety of people interested in doing this, from tutors to music therapists to psychologists to reading specialists, people who have creative writing in your background, people who own businesses that work with students. So I'd love to have you on board. Reach out to me. My private cell is 626-664-9392. And I'm going to share this link with you in a private email. So I really hope to hear from you as soon as possible. Thanks, and have a blessed year. Bye-bye.